Hey, this is Lance with Arkansas Backroad Adventures. On today's episode, we're going to be putting graphics on my Yamaha Tenere 700. And the company we went with is BRM Offroad Graphics. BRM has done a lot of work for me in the past. They have actually done my logo here that I've got on my lighted sign. BRM created that logo for me. BRM also done the graphics on my dirt bike. They've done my graphics for years on them, and these graphics here have probably been on this bike, I'm gonna say a good 10 or 12 years. They hold up. Their graphics hold up good. They are made out of 21 millimeter material, and it is made to last. It's been really fun trying to come up with my own graphics design and then let BRM bring it to life for me. So I took some of my logos and stuff and just kind of seen about how I wanted to do it. And of course, I'm not an artist here by no means, but I just kind of drew some stuff out and put on there the way I would like to see my vision come. And I was looking at some different options that they offer. Far as the holographic material, I think really looks good. They also offer chrome. They offer matte, and they offer just a gloss, all kinds of graphic kit in. It comes with instructions on how to do it. One thing that you're going to need is rubbing alcohol so you can clean it real good. And then the other, just good old H2O water. That's all you're gonna need on that. Just spray your graphics down real good. And we'll have a heat gun. Hopefully we won't have to use a heat gun much, but we will need the heat gun to bend the sides over on the corners and stuff when you're putting it on the bike. When you come around here, we're going to have that to bend that a little bit. So I'm really excited to get started on this, so I'm not gonna waste no time. I'm gonna jump on this and knock this out. Let's see how quick I can do this in. All right, we have got the BRM Offroad Graphics Arkansas Backroad Adventures graphic kit all installed. Are y'all ready to check it out? All right, get ready. Here it comes. Really proud about how the graphics turned out. It's hard to, whenever you're kind of looking and trying to figure out how you want them to go on the bike, it's hard to say for sure how they're going to turn out. But like I say, BRM Offroad Graphics, they send you email exactly how it's going to look. And then you just pick out if that's what you like. If not, email them back, say, hey, I want to change something up a little bit different, and they can change it all up for you. And their graphics, like I say, are 21 millimeters thick, so they're real thick graphics. They are easy to work with. I did not have no problems getting it. I do recommend a heat gun to do the edges, because the edges do try to come up on you. And I really like the way the chrome come out to do all the different logos on it. And the hand guards, that was surprising me. I didn't know they was going to do the hand guards, but if you got the factory hand guards, which I like the factory hand guards myself, they do the ones with the factory hand guards. And I watched a lot of videos on the holographics where I got them, because I just didn't know how well it would pop. And I didn't understand about how they print the how they print it on there and how it would show up. But I'm gonna tell you what, the holographics is really cool. I really like the holographics. I have the QR code on there. So what's cool about that, just like people just come up, get on the QR code, click on it, and go to the YouTube channel. Shows all the videos I do. Alright, BRM Offroad Graphics got this very easy. Just go to their website, brmoffroadgraphics.com. You can see how many dirt bikes they got listed. They got a ton of dirt bikes. They do ATVs, they do side-by-sides, but just like on mine, you just go to the Yamaha, click on it, and then they got it where you pick out anything from a WOW Z450. Here's the Yamaha Tenere 700, click on it. Then they have got several pictures for you to be able to see which kind of graphics that you would like to have. And then right here, you just put kind of what you want on your graphics. Just fill all that out. And you send it to them. And then from there, after you give them what you want, through the email and everything, they send you a email. And then you just go through that email and click on the graphics and see if it's like what you wanted on there. So like I just clicked on mine, and there it is. They've got it all laid out. They tell you like on the finish if it's going to be cosmic, like right there, it is chrome. Right there is holographic. So they make it all real easy for you to understand. And then if you want to change it up, just email them back. And they can change it all up for you. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. If you don't mind, if you like my content, just please subscribe to it, like it. All that helps me. And thank you for staying this long with me to watch the video. I know it's wonder how I need to do the reveal for this ride. Do I just need to put like a sheet over it and pull the sheet off, or do I need to just ride in here and see? Let's see how we need to do this. Let's try this. Wow. No.